All right, so I'm excited. We're going to open up my car accessories haul from Shein. I think this is the garbage can. No. Oh yes, it's my little garbage can. So a waterproof plastic garbage bin. Look at that, collapsible plastic. Inside it's waterproof. Oh, this is so cute. And I could attach it. Well, yeah, attach it with this. As you can see right now, this is my garbage bag. This is just a piece of plastic. Made a hole in it. Put it over there. Okay, here it is. It's a cute little plastic bin. Oh, excuse my nail. So it's pretty small, but you know, it's gonna work. I like the fact that it's waterproof. Okay, now how am I gonna, where's the thing to attach it? Oh, here it is. So it comes with this little round hook. So I'm gonna slip it over here. Excuse my nail. Oh, there we go. God, this car needs a cleaning. So it's just gonna sit on the side here. Yeah, right? I guess it might take up space. With someone sitting here, it might take up space, but I don't know. Should I just like, where else can I hang it? I'm not sure. It also comes with this clip. So I don't know. Where can I put it where it's not going to be in the way? Okay. I mean, it's a great idea. It's just that if someone's going to sit in here, it's going to be kind of in the way. Okay, whatever. I guess I could just take it off. Put it in the back seat. Okay, so that's my first item. Oh, it's this automobile anti-skid pad. I thought it would be bigger. So this is the anti-skid pad. So I guess you stick it like here. Ah! That doesn't stick. Am I supposed to remove something? Okay, so I'm really disappointed in this because it doesn't stick. And I thought there would be a peel off backing that I have to remove so that way it will stick, but it just doesn't stick. I'm so disappointed. It doesn't stick. Ugh. Okay. Fail. Don't like this. Alright, next up I got 4 of these back hooks to put on the back seat. So that way, you know, you can put your bags on it instead of on the car chair or on the floor. So I think this is pretty handy. I think it's supposed to go like this. Okay, so it's just gonna go like this. There we go. Oh, that's easy to put on. Seat organizer. Here it is, and it's for your tissue, your box of tissue, slots to put random stuff, I suppose. So it's made of, what do you call this? Not Velcro. Oh my god, I'm a lack for words. Here's for the tissue slot. And here's like a little pocket. You can put slots here. What is this? Another slot over here. So I thought this would be pretty useful because right now I'm just putting all my stuff, like tissue boxes, in a box on the floor. So I think this will be, you know, good to organize. Okay. What is this cloth? I think it's called, it's made of cloth. And there's a Velcro here to put around the chair. The chair. This is how you're gonna hook it. I don't know. I can't talk. Okay, let's figure this out. Air freshener container, I guess, is to put oil, like a scented oil. Oh, it's really tiny. I have this tiny little bottle. I guess you put some fragrance oil in it and diffuse the scent. I closed it. I twist it closed, and it comes. Oh, I forgot to put on the clip. This is the clip, so it attaches. Oh my god. Okay. Let me do this again. Okay, so I suck at this. I guess this goes on this thing. Okay, I got her. So you put the little clip on top of the bottle. You put your little, you know, your oil, your scented oil, and then you put this cover, because there's a hole. There's 2 holes in this cover. So then that's how the oil is going to get diffused into the air. And then you twist this on. It's not well made, I don't think. It's not like, see, if I tighten it, it's not it's not aligned, so I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. So then here's the clip, and this clip goes into the vent. That's it, the vent. Oh my god. Okay, so, oh my god, my ugly nails, excuse me. So I'm putting this into the vent, the clip-on vent. Here we go. Does this work? Okay, so, and I'll get back to you. So the 2 items from the Shein Car Essentials haul, there's 2 that I don't like. Well, that didn't work for me, and that's the anti-skid mat for the dashboard. This didn't work. It did not stick to the dashboard, and I don't know how anything can stick on this. And second, the car oil did not help scent my car, make it smell nicer. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I put some kind of oil in here, and I gave it a shot for 3 weeks. I left it in the car, and it just didn't diffuse. I even turned on the AC, and it just didn't do anything. Unless it's because I'm using the wrong kind of oil. I don't know, but that's it. That's my 2 fails. But the rest are pretty useful. And yeah, I would recommend the other items. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.